Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 108 top with the Roland Garros styling. So this vehicle has a lovely retractable fabric roof, there's keyless entry, 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get a rear camera. Now inside the car the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, there's a speed limiter, but this car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.